Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
So this is a symbolic act of Chief Minister to see the level of siltation that's happening here. So entire river is completely silted.
Umentri rangba ka jilla u Conrad ke sangma haka hinyo tare ujamang arhajar arpoar Ïashim Bynta haka Jingpynkhuid yakawa Umsohlang kabadai ka telong umbam umdi Jingpynkhuid ba ka maulai kenton masar. Ya kabala penyai da ka Biodiversity Management Committee maulai kenton masar Shillong.
We will have number one the meeting next week. In that meeting we'll call all the stakeholders. So I have also listed that we will call Nehu also to be part of this meeting. And more importantly, once we finalize everything, we will have the mission mode program to start. And the idea of mission mode, why we should do mission mode, is because we need to have specific time-bound action. We cannot just have a campaign, because campaign can go on and on. But when it's mission mode, which means we need to achieve something in 1 year, achieve something in 2 years, achieve something in 5 years. So we will go with the mission mode because it becomes time-bound. And then in the next program when we come, that's when we will launch this mission mode program. So that's what we will do. Thank you very much.
Umentri rangba ulaong baka sorkar rengkat bat kasnong kenya trailang khnang banwan ra ya ka khut ka suba batwan ra ya ka jing yada ya kamariang hakane ka jaka.
So we have come here today in Maulai Kanton Masar area, and this entire stream of Umsohlang, we are here to work along with 5 or 6 of the community in the localities out here to ensure that we are able to revive and clean and make sure that the biodiversity and all the other aspects of environment and ecology should be brought back to these streams. And with that, we have decided today to launch a mission mode program and let this be a pilot project which will be an example to other localities and other areas and other people in the state as well as in the region of the Northeast as a whole, that if the community and all the stakeholders and the government all come together, work together, we can reverse the impact of climate change. We can reverse all the aspects of what damage we have done to our streams and to our natural water bodies. If we work together, we can do it. So we have decided to get together along with the Rangbashnongs of all the different localities to have a meeting next week, and within a very short period of time we will come back here to launch this mission mode program.